is Ranvar village, Bandra's oldest living heartbeat. You can literally feel history speaking from its walls.
And yet it is so alive. Artists, locals, everyone connects here. It's like Bandra's own living museum.
Ranvar is where time pauses,
where culture and charm blend effortlessly, keeping Bandra's identity alive. The best walk is right around the corner through Bandra famous cottages.
These cottages are Bandra's living history, built during the Goan and Portuguese times. They luckily have survived the rise of skyscrapers.
Every balcony, every cross, every pastel wall has a story. You just don't see Bandra past here, you feel it.
And now it's time to head towards the stunning Mount Mary Church. You can take an auto or walk up, whichever way you choose.
As we approach the church, you'll notice the stunning architecture and beautiful surroundings.
One of the structures made here at Mount Mary. It's really a beautiful piece of art.
Take a moment of breathe slowly, calm yourself, and appreciate the beautiful ambience and the stunning view of the city from up here.
It's Mumbai soul spilling out on its walls. Its old world charm with modern expressions all coexisting together.
If you want to get to Hill Road in Bandra, it's super easy. Just ask anyone and they will point you in the right direction. From trendy clothing to quirky souvenir shops, you'll find everything here. And more so at the most reasonable pricing.
ये bangle बताइए.
Hey, wow, this is really nice, yeah.
Very pretty ones. I like those.
Hill Road is a shopper's paradise, lined with boutiques, malls, and street vendors.
Sabi, I like these bags also. Yeah, I want these halke bags. They've got t-shirts here also.
So let's go check some dresses.
So thrilled with our shopping.
As the sun dips into the Arabian Sea, Bandra changes its tone from hustle to harmony. Eddie's Cafe and Bar opens its doors, and the night begins with laughter and light.
Eddie's isn't just a restaurant, it's a mood, a shared heartbeat between food, music, and wonderful memories.
Here, the night belongs to laughter, and the walls echo with the joy of those who never want to leave. Hi guys. Hi.
Hello.
Good evening. Is this your first visit to Eddie's?
Mine.
I've been there.
Where are you all from Mumbai itself?
I
All
have been
different
staying
places.
here. Yeah, I'm originally from Calcutta.
Yeah, I'm from Rajasthan.
So we have people from different cities on
Yeah.
this podcast. Fabulous.
So what do you like about Eddie's?
First time, so
It's like I like it because it's a chill vibe. Like you can catch up with each other. You can
that's
talk with
nice.
each other.
Can you-
I used to go to such places in Bangalore and I just like the
pub
chill
culture
vibes,
in
the pub
Bangalore.
culture, yeah.
So what's your take on marriage versus living?
Great if people get to do live-in, then it's great. I mean, it's just a societal thing to get married, right? In the end, you just want to live with the person you love, so
Doesn't matter if it's a marriage or
yeah. But because we're in an Indian society and we have to follow certain set of norms, so yeah, you just as well can get married if you want to.
When I got married, I was very clear that till the time I get a place to stay with my boyfriend, and I would have been good with it.
So what's your best marriage advice since you're married?
Communicate.
Communicate. I thought she'd say don't get married.
Are you in a relationship?
no, I am very single.
You're very much single. So are you on
Yeah.
dating apps?
I am.
I am.
And how successful are you?
Successful in terms of what? Like, in terms of finding the right. Success rate has been good, but not in terms of converting it into a relationship.
So has your heart ever been broken?
Yes.
And
That was
okay.
long back.
Yes, I like that. Yes. So after that, have you fallen in love?
I did, but once, so I had like my first relationship is where I felt very heartbroken. In case of second, I did fall in love, but then I realized कि maybe once we reached to the breakup stage, I felt I'm not sure if I did. So I think it's just like it happens for the first time or it happens for the last time, which hasn't happened yet.
Any advice you'd want to give people on dating apps?
Women need to talk more.
Women, I thought it was the men we were talking about who need to communicate.
No, communication happens from both ways.
Okay.
Please communicate.
Please communicate.
From sunrise prayers to midnight cheers, Bandra never truly sleeps.
It's the place that taught Mumbai how to slow down and celebrate small joys. A world within a city where faith, fame, and flavor coexist in perfect harmony.
This was Bandra Diaries, the heartbeat of Bandra.